In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Temu in South Africa. If you're located in South Africa and want to start shopping on Temu, this tutorial will guide you through the setup process and show you how to make sure your account is configured correctly before placing an order. Temu allows users from different countries to shop using their local region settings, and making sure your account is set to South Africa is important for accurate pricing, shipping availability, and currency support. To get started, open your preferred browser and visit the Temu website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign In or Register option. Click on it to begin accessing your account. If you already have a Temu account, you can log in normally using your preferred method. In this example, continue by selecting the option to sign in with Google. After clicking it, choose the Google account you want to use and continue through the login process until your account dashboard opens successfully. Once you are signed in, move toward the top right section of the website and open the Orders and Account area. This section contains your account settings, order history, and regional preferences. From there, look for the option related to changing your country or region settings. After opening the region settings, you'll see a list of available countries. Scroll through the options and select South Africa from the list. Once selected, click the button to confirm and switch your account region to South Africa. This step is important because it updates the shopping experience to match your location, including the currency displayed and the products available for delivery in your area. After the region has been changed successfully, you can return to the Temu homepage and begin browsing products normally. You should now notice that prices and settings are adjusted for South African users. At this point, search for the product you want to purchase and open the product page to review the details carefully. Before placing your order, make sure to check the item description, available options, shipping information, and estimated delivery times. Once everything looks correct, continue through the checkout process by entering your shipping information and preferred payment method. After confirming your order details and payment, complete the purchase and wait for the confirmation message from Temu. You'll then be able to track your order directly through your account once the shipment begins processing. And that's how you can set up your account and order from Temu in South Africa quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.